Hello everyone, this is Damon with Pixnub. This is a quick tutorial to use our lightning brushes and layer styles. I've got a much longer and more in-depth tutorial if you want more details and more tips and tricks, but this is just a quick video to get you started for this video. So to start, you'll need to install the brushes and the layer styles. So under the brushes window, you'll select import brushes and load your file, which I've already done here, so I don't need to redo it. Then under the layer styles window, which is under window in Photoshop under styles, same thing, you'll go to import styles and then load that file. So you'll want to be on a separate layer when you brush these normally. That way you can move them or scale them or rotate them or whatever you need to do independently from the background. Then it's just simply one click to add one of the lightning brushes. So I'll just grab a brush here, scale that, using the bracket key to scale it where I want. And make sure to use a white brush. Even if you want color, always use a white brush, which I'll show you how to add the color in a minute. And then I'm going to just one click to put the lightning strike in. And I recommend putting it a little bit lower than you want it. That way you have room to move it, because Photoshop won't paint outside of the canvas, which I show in the other longer video, some tips and tricks for that. But usually just paint it a little bit lower, and that way you have room to move it up. You could rotate it into position however you see fit with what you're trying to do with the image. Just something like that is good for this tutorial. Now to get the color and the layer styles, you'll make sure you're on the layer you want and you just click the layer style. You see that was pretty subtle, but what that did was that added this layer style. If I turn it off and on, you can see that does give it kind of a blue color. If I click on the yellow one, it gives it kind of that yellow glow. And if you want to increase the amount of color or change the color, let me go back to the blue here. You'll just go into these effects, just double click on there, and in the outer glow, that's set to a linear dodge blend mode with a color and an opacity. So if we turn the opacity of that up, you see that we can change the glow around the lightning up or down, so more or less. And then if you want to change the color, just double click your color there. Leave the saturation and brightness at 100% normally, but then just change the hue in your slider to whatever color you want to match your particular design. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple to use. Like I said, watch the full-length video because I go over quite a few different tips and tricks in there as well. Thanks for watching.